Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about playing cards probability. So what is playing card probability? So now here in this picture, we can observe that. So playing cards probability based on the well shuffled deck of 52 cards. In a pack or deck of 52 playing cards, they are divided into 4 shoots. So 52 cards are divided into 4 shoots that are club, diamonds, hearts, and spades. So each shoot consists of 13 cards. So 13 deck of 52 playing cards, they are divided into 4 shoots. Each shoot consists of 13 cards. So 4 into 13, totally 52 cards. So that are spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs. So cards of spades and clubs of black cards. Cards of spades and clubs are black cards. Now we are out of this 52 cards. 26 cards are the black cards and 26 cards are the red cards. Okay, out of these 52 cards, spade cards and club cards are the black cards, and these are the club cards and these are the spade cards. So these two are the black cards. And cards of hearts and diamonds. Cards of hearts and diamonds are red cards. So 26 black cards and 26 red cards. So what are the black cards? Clubs and spades are the black cards. Diamonds and hearts are the red cards. The cards in each shoot. The cards in each shoot are ace, king, ace, king, queen, jack. The cards in each shoot are ace, king, queen, and jack. Okay, so in this club, ace card, king card, queen card, jack card, 4 cards. Now here also ace card, king card, queen card, jack card. Here also had ace card, king card, queen card, jack card. Here also spades, uh, uh, ace card, king card, queen card, jack card. So the uh, so and okay. So that are the jack, ace, king, queen, jack cards in each suit. So queen, and jack are the face cards. King card, queen card, and jack card are the face cards. So in each shoots, 3 face cards. So 3 into 4 shoots, 3 into 4, 12 face cards. Out of 52 cards, the total number of the face cards are 12. So the cards in each shoot, okay, totally there are 4 shoots. In each shoot, the cards are ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. In each shoot consists of ace card, king card, queen card, jack card, card number 10, card number 9, card number 8, card number 7, card number 6, card number 5, card number 4, card number 3, and card number 2. Okay, so this is a brief introduction to playing cards probability.